Great and welcome to Mission of Mr. Sylvester. Thanks so much for joining my short clip, and really will be grateful also having you on this very broadcast. I've always been the one and only and a special guest for my great channel, and the honor to say it's a great honor, gratitude. See that? Beauty. Now, if a creator indeed ordained a world like this, then why not have him also rule with his sons and daughters? Would be nice to see myself on this very short clip to make myself known again. I'm going to hit the street, and if I need to have any word, look, I've always shown the beauty will be how I keep a single flesh in any form to show every detail if I need to have somebody talk about it. I don't think you've ever had a place built like this that you want to say you can regard it as a personality like this. If you're a military, you have understanding. If you're a warrior, you would have known. This won't be any other person than myself doing it. Stay tuned. We'll be on the street. Whatever will be the case, we'll show you. At least I can show my foot to the level to show you another beauty of myself. If I be a great king, a great prince, you have to know where we dress from the foot. Watch. Can you walk on this? No, I want to show you the challenge. Do you think it's ever normal to see that, or you show your foot? How we can see it? That's not your foot. It's my original foot. We have it also for this. How we've always shown all that it is. That makes what we're showing. It's never your foot. I don't live with your foot. For indeed, if the Lord wants to show, let's see. Maybe you don't see what is on the foot. This is myself. I don't need to explain as a hair is on. I don't need to explain. If you want to look at the signs and token for what I show you, the theme and mark. So, if we have to have the limbs and the supernatural light, it is a single person that built it. How I make it known to the world. I don't think there's any beauty if we want to talk about beauty. It's myself. This is the volume here and the volume here. I don't think you ever understand what it is. Let's get to the street to know. You see that I change. Yes, that's one person living by the law. I'm going to have my life play a donkey game. Anywhere in the jungle, respect only who made it to that place and return. If I've a lore and a table, my table works from every country, every world in the universe. I'm the one in supernatural. Stay tuned. We're going to be out there. Or if I should take you out to see myself, maybe you to know that. To hit a street, yes, with the excellence, if I need to show myself well, look at that challenge. The Lord's word, it can fail. When I stand next to plants, crops, and any other. I don't think we have anybody else who can show the best done. Look, you are the clouds. Yes. When I have to work, and it takes only my fuel to do that. And these powerful watermelons, check out when I come out. At least, watch the street and the great fireworks. There's no other place than myself who made it. I don't think we have any challenge than making it possible where the Lord calls for it. This is where I can tell I don't live in the house of another. If you need a real location, you see that? I don't think I have led people to wrong side. I've never been the wrong person in another person's house that you think I'm leading the people to the wrong side. I have never sinned against you, not even a rule. It's my rule. Virgin, how can I break a rule? So if I break any rule, it will be my own rule. That is set apart in time. Thanks so much. We're going to end the live broadcast. If you have never lived in maybe a room like this or a wall like this, how are you going to tell people you have been given? Thanks, right there. Stay. It's close. It won't be there live.